Speaking at today's The Outlook for the Economy and Finance Summit, the Latvian politician said it is particularly important for the survival of the bloc to have already in place the main element of the capital markets union by March 2017, when the bloc will lose its most important capital market, London. He said, "As we have emphasized already shortly after the Brexit referendum, that with a perspective of EU's largest capital market actually leaving the EU and leaving the single market, it makes a case for strengthening capital markets across the EU 27. Even more important and even more urgent, by the time of Brexit, we should have the main elements of capital markets union already in place. The EU is trying to build a single market for capitals across the bloc." European Commission Vice President Mr Dombrovskis said the EU must prepare to lose the other capital markets union is an attempt made by the EU which aims to deepen and further integrate the capital markets its member states. If achieved, it would unlock long-term investment by harmonizing regulatory frameworks and reducing legal barriers to cross-border investing. Mr Dombrovskis, who is also the current European Commissioner for the Euro and Social Dialogue, also said that discussions on banking union and capital market union in the EU are entering a critical decision-making stage. He added, "We are making progress, we have agreement on simplification of prospectus, on simple, transparent and standardized securitization, on venture capital, but many things still remain to be done." Mr Dombrovskis spoke at today's The Outlook for the Economy and Finance Summit. The EU official also spoke about the advancement made on the banking union. Started in 2012 as a response to the Eurozone crisis, it will be achieved with a transfer of responsibility for banking policy from the national to the EU level. Mr Dombrovskis said, "We have the first two pillars, single supervision and single resolution, already up and running, so what we need to do now is to complete our risk reduction measures, specifically the 2016 bank reform package, and we need to make progress on the backstop for Single Resolution Fund and European Deposit Insurance Scheme."